What's up, guys? We got a visitor.
What's up? NATO FPV.
NATO's here. He made it. And he actually got welcomed by the Ohio State Troopers with the speeding ticket. Because he was excited to get here super quick. Just out here at my home turf office park for these guys to get warmed up. Jeremy's using my old Tango because his Tranis took a crap on him, so he's got to get warmed up and all that fun stuff. So here we go.
What's that?
About to do some building diving. The old Fifth Third building.
I've done one of those before.
Fifth Third?
What, a building or Fifth Third?
Third. I do believe that's the building I've done.